Living out your dreams is pretty simple. So let's unpack that and break it down. Let's say I wanted to be an actor.
I wanna be a billionaire.
You have so many tools at your hand right now. So instead of going to a bunch of tryouts, what I would do, take a camera or just my cell phone, research the top performing movies and TV shows with one actor involved. For example, Castaway. I would study those films and what they did good. I would then create my concept, like maybe Lost in the Woods. I would create a YouTube channel for that movie or series. Also sign up for a Prime Direct account with Amazon. Prime is a little bit more difficult because you do have to upload the subtitles. I would then create a teaser, maybe multiple. That way I could test the audience on what works and what doesn't work. I would then write and build the script based on what worked and what didn't work. If you're watching this, you probably got a phone. There's a million editor apps. You could make that happen in, I don't know, probably a couple days. Boom, congratulations, you're now an actor.